Tolbert with Performance Diecast. I know you're in my mirror, I'm in my gym, but we're about to unbox this AutoArt Ford Focus RS. It's a shadow black and it's a 1/18 scale. So let's open this bad boy up and check it out. ...2016 Ford Focus RS by AutoArt. The quality on this thing is awesome in my opinion. This is definitely going in a case. I like it a lot. I love the RS, Focus RS. I almost bought one, but I ended up getting the Volkswagen Golf R, the Mark 7 version. I'll post a little video of me racing my buddy's Focus RS.
Got him!
But yeah, this thing's awesome. You know, the all-wheel drive, 2.3 turbo, 350 horsepower, 350 foot-pounds of torque in the real version, obviously. But, I mean, I think they did a very high quality on this car, especially the outside. The Brembos look nice. I mean, it even says Ford on there. I mean, they got the little turns. I mean, they did everything on here, like the RS on the wing. I mean, like the exhaust, everything in the back looks super nice. That looks awesome. The underneath of it, thought that was, compared to some of them I see, I think that's very high quality in my opinion. For the price we're talking on this, I think that's very, very high quality. You can get the little antenna on top. The interior, I don't think is, you know, super high quality, but I think it's very good. It goes with it. But I mean, the Focus RS is in real life don't have the nicest interior. They're more about the performance and the looks of it and stuff like that. But this one definitely has the nicest. When I turn this, it feels so nice compared to some of them feel like it's really cheap when you do it. But this one feels really nice. It's got the little carpeted. It's got the little seat belts with the metal. You can see. Thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, this thing's awesome. I love how this opens too. It's got the little like truck cover or whatever it's called. It's got the little cords there. And I thought that was awesome. And then it had the little, what do you call it, the jack thing that holds it up, the hood up in there. That's pretty good detail. But yeah, I like it a lot, guys. If you enjoyed this, you know, give it a like. And if you want to subscribe, see more videos, I got 3 more cars. Literally, it's sitting in my kitchen ready to go. So I'm going to be increasing the quality of cars over time here. But yeah, subscribe and you know, share this video so other people can see it, and let me know what you think of it. And if you want to get it, I'll have a link in the description. One link will be for Amazon, and then if you wanted to get it through this, what is it called, Diecast Wholesale or whatever, I'll have a link there. And if you use my link and use the coupon code NEXT, NEXT, it'll save you 10%. So I think it'll be a little bit cheaper than Amazon if you go that route. That's what I did, just to save a little bit of money. And they do really good packaging and shipping and all that stuff. And I know they do international shipping. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, peace.